How to increase Telegram download speed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can increase Telegram download speed. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch the Telegram application and make sure that you're logged in with your number. So once you're here, tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search bar, search for link to files bot. Here is the bot, tap on it. Now tap on start. So once you have done that, you can go back and open up the chat or the conversation where you have the video. Then what you have to do is, once you have opened up the chat, you have to forward that video to link to files bot. And once you have forwarded the video, right here you can download the video from this link to files bot, and in that way the video will be downloaded in faster speed. So that is the way to increase Telegram download speed, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Hi everyone, this is